Dollarama just dropped their fall lineup, and some of these pieces do not look like dollar store. I'm walking through the best finds, all $5 or under, plus exactly how I would style them for a high-end fall look. If there's one thing Dollarama does not play about, it is their pumpkins. We're going to start here because there are so many textures this year, and texture is what makes a display look high-end. First up, these plush boucle pumpkins stacked in a set of 3 for only $5 Canadian. The white ones are calling my name. Boucle is everywhere in home decor right now, and this is such an easy way to bring that in without paying high-end prices. Next, these carved wood look pumpkins for only $2. Pick these up. They actually have some nice weight to them, which instantly makes them feel less dollar store and more like something you'd find at a real home decor shop. These metallic pumpkins are $3.50 and come in gold, copper, and silver, perfect for adding just a little bit of shine without going too glittery or costumey. If you want something with more dimension, this paper honeycomb pumpkin trio is $4 and comes in the 3 different sizes. These pop open and add height and shape to a tablescape for basically nothing. There's also a whole variety of small velvet pumpkins with gold stems for $2.50, plus another stack of 3 velvet pumpkins. I love this burgundy tone, and velvet is doing so much heavy lifting for that expensive fall look this year. So if you only grab one texture, I would grab this beautiful velvet. And don't skip these mini pumpkin packs, velvet or textured, for $3 each. These are so great for wreaths, floral arrangements, and centerpieces. That's what I use them for. So grab a few packs if you're doing any kind of DIY fall project. Last but honestly, maybe my favorite this year is this glittery sweater look molded pumpkin for $4.25. It has this cute cozy knit texture and just a little bit of subtle glitter that makes it feel so much more grown up than your typical sparkly pumpkin. All right, this next one might be the sleeper hit of this whole haul. This boucle pumpkin accent pillow is only $5, and it looks so similar to the ones I've been seeing at Pottery Barn for so much money. There's also a corduroy version and this cute plaid flannel one. If you're building out a fall vignette on a bench or an accent chair, you can grab 2 or 3 of these in different textures, and it's such an easy win. Quick tip on this plaid throw pillow for only $5. These are laughably flat right out of the package, but don't let that stop you because the fabric itself is genuinely beautiful. I love the soft texture. Grab an extra polyfill insert or even just restuff them, and they're gonna instantly look so much better. You could even use this fabric to recover old pillow forms or do some other crafts with them. Now let's talk florals and greenery, because this is where I want to remind you, skip the brighter stems this year. The oranges and reds in faux florals tend to look plasticky under lighting. I don't like how Dollaramas look this year, so I would stick to the softer, moodier tones like sage greens, browns, and burgundies. Those are the ones that photograph beautifully and blend into an actual home instead of looking like a costume shop exploded in your house. This small grapevine wreath with pumpkins, florals, and pine cones accents is only $5, and there's a matching spray in the same style for only $5 as well. Great if you want your wreath and your centerpiece or garland to actually coordinate. This fall stem with eucalyptus berries and a little burgundy or gold pumpkin is $3.25. You could grab a few of these to fill out a vase or tuck into an arrangement. And don't miss out on this pack of pine cones and faux acorns for $2.50. I've grabbed a few of these over the years. It's actually going to be your secret weapon. You can use it as vase filler, wreath filler, or scatter them across a console table under $3 for instant fall texture. If you want to grab and go centerpiece, there are 2 great options here. One is a neutral wooden box centerpiece for $5 with a faux sunflower, pumpkin, and leaves. Very farmhouse, very put together. The other one in a burlap container with boucle pumpkins, leaves, pine cones, and berries. This one leans a little bit more cozy, a little more textural. Either way, you're getting a fully styled centerpiece for $5 that would easily run you so much more anywhere else. And if you want just a little pop of color without going bold, these small boucle pumpkins in various colors are only $2.50, perfect for tucking into shelves, a mantle, or that centerpiece you just built. All right, this next section is really what sold me on this trip because these aren't really fall items. They're just genuinely elevated home finds that happen to be perfect for the fall season. This glass candle holder set with 2 amber glass jars on a mirrored tray is only $5, and it looks so much more expensive than that. Amber glass is huge right now, and pairing it with a mirrored tray gives you that boutique candle display look instantly. These seasonal doormats are only $4.50. You got little ghosts, jack-o'-lanterns, that kind of thing. They're a bit small, but they're so cute for layering at an entryway or even inside on a mudroom floor. Now let's talk the kitchen because Dollarama really comes through here. This coffee cup and saucer set of 4 is textured white, only $5. Truly looks like something from a boutique home shop. These scalloped rattan chargers are only $3.50, and they're such an easy way to dress up a table for a fall dinner or brunch. Perfect for layering, and there are a bunch of different options here. These textured clear glass mugs look completely vintage, and they're only $1.75 each. I would grab a handful of these, mix and match on open shelving for that collected over time look. And these wooden textured trivets are back. I've been waiting for these and I'm so happy they're back. They're gorgeous, so textured and beautiful, and instantly make a kitchen feel more high-end. This metal and wood handle basket in a copper tone for only $5. This is so versatile. Use it for fall storage, throw blankets, or just as a decor piece on its own. So if you're building a budget fall look this year, here's my formula. Pick 2 or 3 pumpkin textures. I'd say go for a boucle, velvet, and 1 in wood or metallic. Stick to those soft neutral stems instead of anything bright, and then layer in a couple of those unexpected finds like the amber glass or the rattan chargers to make the whole space feel intentional instead of like the dollar store seasonal aisle. That's my full Dollarama fall walkthrough for you. Let me know in the comments which find you're gonna grab first. I already know I'm gonna go and grab some of those velvet pumpkins. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more weekly budget home finds, and I'll see you in the next video.